Hey, how's it going? Hopefully you're doing good. Welcome back. I'm Enrique, artist and illustrator. Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla versus Mothra. So those two are going to be battling it out in kind of like a face-off type of thing. I would say this one's a little bit more intermediate, but if you're a beginner, you can absolutely do it. It's still really short, okay? It's like an 8-minute lesson. So let's hop right into it really quick and get through it, all right? Let's do it. Okay, let's jump into it. Let's jump into this fun time, alright? We draw Godzilla on this side and Mothra's gonna be on this side, alright? So let's get going. First thing I do over here is I'm gonna draw the kind of flat line right here for the front of Godzilla's snout. Just flat. Then I'm gonna pull a flat line back right there for the kind of top part of his mouth. We draw this relatively small because you know, we draw most of his body. I would say about his waist. Up just a bit. And then flat back. Right there. Flat backwards. And it's just going to be just the top of the head right there. Okay. Pull down just a bit. It's going to swoop down just a bit. Curve up. Open. And then I'm gonna go here, bottom part of the mouth. Dun, dun, dun. And we're gonna go down here. Don't forget to hit that like, by the way. If you're a Godzilla fan, hit that like. Let me know. Let me hear you guys with the likes. And then going back here. Like so. Gonna pull down, like down the neck. And I'm gonna pull out just a bit for the chest area. Down. I'm gonna run a line over here. So about this point, I'm gonna keep running that line down here for the back. And I'm doing the legendary Godzilla, you know? Versus the old school Mothra, which is funny. I just figured it would connect with people more. Line up. If you want another version, I'll totally do it. Line up here for the front of the arm. I'm going to pull a line down here. Going to go over here, line back. And down over here. I'm gonna go here to the hand, and I'm gonna find the hand right there. So it's gonna be the thumb. In, down over here, out, down. That's gonna be the leg. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a bunch of spikes on the back here, like so. Small, 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 small. Then about this point, it's going to get like a double one. Right there looks like a mountain. And then about this point, it's going to be like a triple mountain bigger. And it's just going to keep getting bigger as it goes down, but we're not really going to see it back there. Curve line down for the eye. Out, down here. And kind of give it like an angry face there. Dot. Right there for the front of the mouth. And what I'm going to do now is draw its teeth. It's going to be kind of tiny in his mouth, but it's really going to matter that. I'm going to take this, go back, and then find, I'm going to draw a line through here. Find the back of the jaw. Curve line here for the back of the ear. And we're going to curve a line down over here. Alright. And curve a line here. And then we're going to draw thin lines along the bottom right there of his torso, and the same thing over here as well on this back. Just these thin lines. It's short for scales, so I'm going to draw the line across now. See that? Just, it's a very quick way to indicate scales, pretty much. One in the front here. And you can even draw like a maybe dark over here at the front, just a bit, to kind of ground the character. Ground the character there. Just some dark. And I'm sorry, I forgot about on the arm here. So that quick checkerboard pattern, real quick. Nothing wild. All right, let's go over here and do Mothra on this side. So Mothra is a pretty chill character. So let's go over here with Mothra, and I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw. Let me see. And Mothra's like right in his face. Circle, like so. Going out, in, down for that kind of almost beak thing going on. He's got going on, and underneath, under beak. Go over here. Let's draw Mothra's body. 2 bumps there. Curve line here for 1 leg here, or he's gonna have a bunch of legs. Curve line here. Curve line here. I'm just gonna draw 3. Pull out in. Pull out in. Pull out in. We draw a simplified version of Mothra. Curve underneath. You'll see the rest of his bug body. And then curve back. He's gonna have this I think called it, is it the abdomen or the thorax, I think, down here? And then we're gonna draw a circle here for the eye. And the eye itself is gonna have a checkerboard pattern across that, right? Hashtag line over here. We're gonna draw some antenna. Nothing too difficult, just relatively regular. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I did not say that, forgive me. Now I'm gonna curve up and find his wings. I'm gonna go up. It's gonna pretty much go outside the image. Out, down. Then I'm gonna go on this side, curve up, out. And I'm gonna pull it back in here. I'm gonna touch the side of the page. It's funny, Mothra is a moth, but he looks like a butterfly. Circle, circle, circle for a design there. And then you could just kind of draw some waviness across the rest of it. Just a couple of waves, real thin. See how random this is? Super random, right? I draw a thin line right there. If you want, you can draw a flat across here and then put some more stripes at the bottom. That's kind of usually how the other side of Mothra looks. And the back hands over the back claws. And that's it. That is Mothra. It's a simple, quick version of Mothra versus Godzilla. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching. If you're a fan of Kaiju, Godzilla, any of that, hit that subscribe, click the bell notification. Don't forget, if you want to help the channel, you want to support, share the video. Share it anywhere, like literally anywhere. Just share it on Twitter. There's a bottom right hand corner. There's a share button, auto share button to anything you're already logged into. Whenever you share it, it brings back this huge boost of positivity to the channel that I like having. And thank you so much. I'll see you next time and draw with you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.